I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If your Outlook profile has been hacked, follow these steps to regain control and secure your account. Step 1. Change your password. Immediately change your Outlook password to prevent further unauthorized access. Go to the Outlook sign-in page, click on Forgot Password, and follow the prompts to reset it. Step 2. Check account recovery options. Before starting recovery, use the AceRock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enable two-step verification. Activate two-step verification for added security. In your account settings, find the security section and toggle on two-step verification. This will require a code sent to your phone when logging in. Step 4. Review account activity. Check your recent account activity for any unauthorized access. In the security section, look for recent activity to see if there are any unfamiliar logins or actions. Step 5. Scan for malware. Run a malware scan on your devices to ensure they are not compromised. Use a trusted antivirus program and check for any malicious software that could have led to the hack. Remember, staying vigilant and regularly updating your security settings can help prevent future issues. Good luck and stay safe online.